When I was a child, I have so much appreciation with nature. I feel like I am really connected to it. And now that I am someone who advocates for the environment, I see this responsibility as an opportunity to speak for our Mother Nature. Please take care of me. Stand beside me. Advocate for me. I will give you all the material things that you need. Food, water, shelter, and even intangible things like love, peace, and hope. Taking care of the environment is taking care of the people you love. Be an advocate and protect our environment now.